This is an automotive central control navigation screen compatible with Toyota Tacoma or Toyota 4Runner. It features a 40.6-inch display with a resolution of 1920 x 18, equipped with an 8-core UIS-7870 processors, 8GB RAM, and 256GB built-in storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. As you can see, there is two very sturdy wrist keys here. We have wire set package with 6 pieces. This is a multi-audio adapter cable. It integrates with AUX input and output, a microphone port, and a built-in SIM card slot cable all in one line. Look at this cable. This cable is reverse rear wheels input cable. This one is USB antenna. This one is 4G antenna. This one is GPS antenna. This is a set of power cables for Toyota Tacoma and Toyota 4Runner. This one is a cat box. This one is a video recorder. This one is an original car USB adapter cable. This one is an audio output. How to switch the UIV3 interface easily. Test the icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to change the things on the original car interface. Look past the menu. Then you can see there are 3 things here. Choose one you like and go back to the homepage. The setup is done. You can have a look. It's just like this. Very beautiful. There is also a button on the side. You can jump in to enlarge the car as is twice its original size. How to drive the car can change its position and enlarge the car size easily. You can tap the window button. Then drive the car, adjust its position. How to change the context of the car easily. The content of this 3 car all can be replaced. Tap the 3-dot button at the top and then you can see the plugin selection. Tap it and go inside. You can see there's so many car selection here. Include YouTube and the vehicle, data, type brush. You can change whatever you want. Like this. How to change the car model easily. Don't press the car model, then it's going to play. And you can see there are so many cars here. You can pick one you like. And then tap this icon. And the replacement is done successfully. How to customize and change the scatter bar easily. Don't press any icons on the scatter bar. Then select tap it. Then select any app you want to add. Then the setup is done. Look at here. You can see so many app here. And look at the setting and the video player. Tap it and you can see the video here. Tap this icon, then it will turn into small window mode. Look at the vehicle setting, tap it, and you can see the information on your car. Trip info, history info, base info, amplifier, TPMS, and so on. Now look at the setting, go inside, and you can see there's so many settings here. Look at the first one is a wireless network. You can connect your Wi-Fi to choose one you can use. This one is GPS info, and the general here, and the factory with the password 3368. Then go inside, you can see there's so many functions here. Look at the brake wire for video emotion. You can open it or turn it off. Whatever you like is okay. This one is wire setting. This is the desktop mode. This is the invoice mode. This is the protocol setting. There are so many functions here. You can turn on and turn off. Look at the display. Here you can adjust it by the bar. Backlight brightness adjustment. More or less. By yourself. The night, more or less. And the backlight brightness control. You can buy that. And also by time. You can customer adjustment the time setting. Whatever you like. Look at there. It's the things. You can switch is tap it on. You can automatically day and night mode. You can turn on lights or turn it off. And this is the classic or custom. Now look at the sound. Here you can sound mixing scale. You can adjust it. Here's the APP here. And storage, location, password, and system. Here, language and input. You can change the language right here. Into Chinese, French, whatever you like, just tap it. And you can browse the language. Look at the equalizer. Here is the DTS. You can adjust it to wherever you like. Cinema, music, natural sound before. And look at the equalizer. You can turn it into standard music, rock mode, soft, classics, popular, loving, drinks, whatever you like is okay. This is the sound file setting. There is 4 modes here. You can choose one you like. Driving mode, co-pilot mode, rear car mode, vehicle mode. This is the surround sound. And stereo sound enhancement here. Vibration, bass boo, sound filtering. Look at the CarPlay tracking. After connect your phone, you can see there's so many APP here in the phone to music, phone, message, setting. And you can play the music wherever you like. Just tap in the next song. Then you can see there's a Google map here. You can choose for the destination, such as parking, and then have to go. Look at the meter, and go inside. You can see here is the music player. On this interface, you can see 3 buttons here. You can use these 3 buttons. These 3 buttons allow you to switch the preference